Hi, what's up guys, it's Tony here and I'm back again with another video. So on today's video, I will show you exactly what to do to get your Upwork account approved under 24 hours. I mean, getting your Upwork approved in 24 hours or even getting your application approved to join Upwork is a very big deal because Upwork goes through your application. They don't just they're unlike Fiverr. Okay, they're unlike Fiverr that once you sign up, they will accept you. No, Upwork goes through your application, your skills, and so many other things which I'm going to mention in this video. And if they feel you don't qualify to be on that platform, they're not going to approve. Okay, so with this video, I'll break down everything that you need to do to be able to be approved under 24 hours. So let's get started. Make sure you subscribe though, like, and leave a comment. So first things first, why join Upwork? Like, why Upwork? Upwork is not. I won't advise you just stick to Fiverr, okay? Because there are other freelancing platforms just like Upwork that you need to try your hands on. So sticking to Fiverr is more like putting all your eggs in one basket, which isn't good. So Upwork is another alternative to Fiverr. You should try your hands on. And not just that, Upwork is more in some areas much more better than Fiverr. Like on Upwork, you have on the jobs, like the offers where buyers get to post their jobs, you get to see so much jobs related to your skills which you have on your Upwork account, like the one you see on your screen right now. Unlike Fiverr, if you're a new seller with no reviews and all of those things, you are not going to see much of buyers requests to send. But here you have, tons and tons of them. Then also you get to screen on serious buyers. Like on Upwork, you see buyers like how much they have spent. Like this person has spent $1,000 on Upwork. Okay, he's a Nigerian although. Okay, then this person has spent 400. This person has spent 10K, and you see the countries where they are coming from. So you don't just go and send offers to unserious buyers, people that are not verified, that have not spent any money on Upwork, that are just looking to scam you. This one advantage I love about Upwork. So having said that, let's dive into the video. So before you apply on Upwork, it's all about your profile. First of all, this was my profile. I had to screenshot it then before I was approved. You have to pay attention to your profile picture. One, this was former profile picture I had before I was approved. Your profile picture one is very necessary. Okay, so pay attention. Use something professional, your logo or your face, something professional like you see here when I was approved. Something that shows this is me. I'm much more presentable. Okay, that's number one. More like first impression. Then number two is Upwork approval is based on your category. It's based on your category, what you do. Okay, first of all, if you look on your screen right now, if you look on the screen, you see that my profile reads video content creator and video editor. Okay, but by the side, let me show you this. But before, because I told you I applied before I was turned down, then I reviewed my profile, then resent it to them before they approved. I was into web design niche on Upwork, which is like more like saturated niche. So they told me that they have something number of freelancers there, so they won't approve. Okay, so this is to say that if you are in a niche, okay, or your skill is related to web design, writing, and all of those, saturated niche, they're not going to approve it. Okay, they're not going to approve your application. So find some niches that are not so popular. Okay, in my own case, I choose video content creator and video editor. Okay, so this is my niche. So if I would have gone for website design, definitely they will turn me down again. Okay, so that's number one. Then number two is on your profile. Also, add a portfolio. Before I had no portfolio, I had nothing at all in my portfolio. I think adding a portfolio, played a role in making sure I was approved under 24 hours. So add a portfolio. Portfolio is the work you have done, your video or picture, what you have done in the past relating to the skill on Upwork. Okay, so make sure you add a portfolio to your profile. Then number two is add a detailed bio on your profile. Okay, in my own case, you guys see what I wrote here. Okay, and more like my resume. So I listed out companies I've worked with, like Design Hill, Pickmaker, Uploaded. These are, multi-million-dollar companies. Okay, I've worked with in the past. So this is more like a resume, selling myself to whoever that will read this, and also the team that will review my application. Okay, so I think this plays a role. Make sure that your profile, your bio, has an extensive view of what you do. Make sure you fill it up. Okay, aside from the portfolio. Then coming down here, this is where I want to also stress. I want to stress this on the skills. This is very important. If you are applying for an Upwork, if you are applying on Upwork, please make sure that the skills you have are all something that are not that competitive, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Trust me, this is like one of the most important things that you need to put into consideration before they get you approved on Upwork. If you add writing, article writing, like blog posts and all those saturated categories that are going to turn you down. I've tried it in the past. Okay, instead of going for writing an article, blog post, you can select your skills or your categories as something like translation. Okay, translation, like language, those gigs that has low competition, that are not that saturated. Okay, you can add what's it called, modeling, face modeling, and all of those ones. Okay, and what I love about Upwork is after you are approved, you can easily change these skills. Okay, if it's not something related to what you do, just to get approved, just to get in, you can change it. You can, instead of doing web design, you can change it to even this video editing to get approved. Trust me, it works. Okay, after you are approved, you can easily change it. Okay, these skills, mind you, will determine the type of job. Okay, the type of job that you see on your job feed. It will determine the type of job you see on your job feed. So that's where it's important. So having mentioned these three things, I don't think there is any other thing, because my education, all of those things, they are not that detailed. But these few things I mentioned, my categories, which is video editing and everything that concerns video editing, my portfolio, skills, and then my resume. Okay, my resume. These are the key things that made sure I got approved under 24 hours. So I think it will help. It's very self-explanatory. If you are looking to join Upwork and don't know, what to do to get in, then try these hacks I just shared in this video, and trust me, it will work. And if surely work for you, come back to this video and please let me know in the comment section. I appreciate that a lot, that it works for you. Okay, so this is Tony saying goodbye for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.